Alrighty, hi everybody. Someone asked how to do a horizontal scroll left to right. And so let me show you what we got first. So I already created an example. And so this is where you can see a scroll bar and you can scroll left to right and it goes off the page. And then so notice though that the scroll bar doesn't pop up until you hover for it. So anyway, so let's get to it. So to do this in Google Docs, you have to go to File, Page Setup, and what you're going to do is you're going to create a pageless page. And then I added a background color of yellow so I could see it a little bit better. If you're using dark mode, you might be able to view your scroll bar a little bit easier, but I just changed mine. I like light mode when I'm working on documents. Anyway, so page setup, pageless option for the formatting, and change the background color if you want to. All right, and then you have to create a table. So all you do is create a table similar to this. So let me do another one. So you go to Insert, Table, make how many blocks, columns and rows you want. I'm just going to do 3. And then I'm just going to put something in each one for now just to kind of hold it. Okay. And just go ahead and make the table like you normally would. And now you got a table, but it's still not scrolling. So now what you do is you take the edges and you start pulling them. Go ahead and make the format the way you want, but you got to keep pulling them. Oops, over on the left. Sometimes it's a little bit hard with the big cursor. So let me see. There you go. And just keep pulling. Once you get to a point where it's going to start scrolling, you may actually, if you're paying attention, see the scroll bar start popping up. And just keep pulling. And now you got your scroll. And let's see if I can get this a little bit bigger. Nope. But that's all you really have to do. And then when you want to participate and use the scroll, what you do is you just hover under the table and you scroll it left to right. And that's how you do it. Thanks. See you later. Bye bye.